If you have to convert very often Pages documents to PDF, then yes, of course, you could select a Pages file, open it, export it to PDF, close it, and do it again with the next file. But there's a much better way. I will show you. I select all the Pages files, make a right click, select Quick Actions, and there is my shortcut Pages to PDF Exporter. And I run it and it will automatically export each Pages document to PDF and will save it in the folder where I selected the Pages file. And in this video I will show you how you can build your shortcut, and of course you can download this shortcut and many others from my Patreon website. So let's start. Open the app Apple's Shortcuts and click on the plus button on the top right corner to create a new shortcut. First, name your shortcut so you will find it later in the quick actions. For example, Pages to PDF. If you click on this little icon, you can select a color and an icon, but this doesn't matter for the function. Now switch to the info menu and enable Finder. This will enable the shortcut in the quick actions. And now click on Apps and 18 more and disable everything and select Files. Now switch to the Action menu and search for Repeat with each and double click on Repeat with each. And now we have to convert each selected Pages document to PDF. For that, search for Document and you will find the action Export Document in Background. Don't double click on it, select it and drag it into this position and let it fall. And here we only have to select our format, click on Format and select PDF. And at least we have to save our PDF files. Switch to the Info menu and select Provide Output. Here we have to select our output from the repeat function, make a right click on Result and click on Insert Variable and select Repeat Results. And now your shortcut is ready and you have to try it out. Close the shortcut, open the Finder and select some Pages files, make a right click, select Quick Actions and there it is, my shortcut. And now if you want to know how to open all your favorite folders with just one click like this, then watch this video and see you next time. Bye bye.